peanut butter dip is a fall party favorite. Let's make some. Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands. You're going to start out with 3/4 of a cup of creamy peanut butter and add that into your bowl. Then you're going to add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and then you're going to cream this together until smooth. That looks really good. Next, we're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of pumpkin puree and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to combine these ingredients together. And there you have it, some pumpkin peanut butter dip. You can serve this with graham crackers, apple slices, or even celery sticks. And remember to refrigerate any leftovers. Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.